Hi, today we are going to review and unbox Samsung portable SSD T7, that is 2 terabyte here. And of course you can use it with Windows, Mac and Android. I never use with Android, so I cannot tell you more about it, but of course with Windows and Mac it's easy plug and play. So this is made in Korea. I specifically ordered it using Amazon Dutch, you mean Amazon Germany. So basically this costs around 200 to 230 euros. So it's pretty, you can say, not really cheap, but it's affordable, not so expensive, I would say. So basically, yeah, super fast external storage. We will of course look into it when it says super fast, how fast it is. I will put at the end of the video the speed test. There is 3-year limited warranty. Compatibility, of course, PCs, phone and other devices, and it's compatible with Windows 7 and higher, Android 5.1 Lollipop and higher, and Mac OS 10.10 and higher. And box content include the portable SSD T7, USB 3.2, USB-C to A, USB-C to C cable. I'm mostly using USB-C to C because with the Mac like this, you have only C port. And then you have of course quick start guide. I would not say that you would need that with this. And then you have warranty statement. So let's unbox and let's see. So I just opened the seal already. Let's open it up and let's bring the content out. All right, so there is this beautiful box of Samsung, and if I would say, let's open it up. So of course you can open it up like this. You have the Samsung here, and of course you can take out from here also. That's an easy version, so it's pretty slim, you can see, and not so much big size also. And then of course the other way to open is not from here but from this side, that is like this, and then you can take out the content like this. Okay, so basically this is of course the cover for it. And then you have the cables, that is USB C to C and C to A. So if I open it up, so you can see C to C and C to A. Let's open it up and see what is going on here. So yeah, here we have C to C cable, and then we have here C to A cable that you can easily use with Windows. So they actually give for both Windows and Mac. That's a very good thing actually. Of course you can use this with the Thunderbird also, so you don't need to use two cables at the same time if you have Thunderbird. And of course you have the warranty, and of course so on. In almost every second language it is available. So basically I would say that's all. So you have English, French, Spanish, Dutch, Italian, Netherlands, Dansk, Norsk, Somi, I don't know which other language, Indonesian, Romana, almost every European country, plus of course Turkish and Arabic and so on, and English. Okay, so that's about it. Now let's see the real Samsung. So here if you see, now we have T7. What I found the difference between T7 and T5 is that T7 is a bit in lengthwise a bit longer than T5, but a bit, you can say, thinner than the T5. So of course the best ways to compare is if you have T5, put along with it. So I do have actually T5. So this is basically, this chubby kid is a T5 and this is T7. So you can see the size of T5 is smaller for sure, but on the other hand, if you see the thickness of yeah, that much thick it is more. So thickness is more for this. So of course here you have written T5, T7, T5 is 1 terabyte and T7 is 2 terabyte. If I try to, yeah, so T1 and T2. So now of course this should be a bit, you can say, read and write should be not as quick as T7. I would say weight is almost similar, but that does not matter. But I like the slim version more, the T7 version more. Not because it is 2 terabyte and the other is 1 terabyte, but because it is more slimmer, and of course length is not that much. Because if you see, if you have a card wallet like this, then you can see that it's much smaller than the even card wallet itself. So I think you can easily carry in the pocket. So I'm going to add the video at the end of the T7 test, and that's pretty much it. And you will see the notice. So I would definitely recommend to go for T7. Of course, if you cannot afford, there is two options that on Amazon you can get monthly payment. You can do, of course, still you have to pay the full price, but getting monthly is a bit better than paying upfront. So I would recommend going for T7. But of course, if you like the chubby version, then you can go for the T5. So that's all about it. If you have any question related to T5 or T7, then of course kindly let me know in the comment section is always open. And of course, have a nice day, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe the channel. It would be great actually. Thank you. If we select a T7 device, so let's start target device, and then select T7, and then you can see, okay, let's start the write and retest. Okay, write is 877 MB per second and read is 921 megabyte per second. So of course it will keep doing the test, keep repeating the test. So of course it will give the same reading. But if I stop and see that 878 megabytes per second write versus 920 megabytes per second is pretty good thing, I would say. And that's why I chose actually T7. T7 is really good for it. Of course, I'm going to put another video where I will compare T5. I have a T5 1 terabyte and T7 2 terabyte. So I'll put a video link in the description so you can have a look at that if you want. Or yeah, so that's all. Yeah.